here's the app called Moji, Make Language Friends. So just tap cat and then you can just start using this app. With AI technologies, there are a lot of new dating apps where you can actually communicate with people in completely foreign languages like Korean, Chinese, Spanish. And because AI will just help you out. Introducing Moji, the ultimate social discovery, language exchange, and friendship app designed to connect you with a diverse global community. Whether you want to chat with Korean speakers, meet your friends, or start your language learning journey, Moji is there for you, free to use. Moji is completely free to use, so you can enjoy your global friendships and language exchanges without any cost. Start chatting, learning, and connecting today. Make global friends. Start doing language exchange. Become friends with native English, Spanish, or Korean speakers in one of the best way to enhance your English proficiency. Moji enables you to connect with native speakers from around the globe, creating real friendships and engaging conversations that make it super easy to learn Japanese, for example, and meet Korean people. And then you can just go in here and go to the app, and super easy to go and create your account. And then you just create when your birthday, what's your gender, and then you just select country, and then you can just select languages, and then learning like Spanish. So this app, it can be helpful and handy to learn additional language. And then you can just take a selfie. Whatever, so then you can just select that, and then you can just get started. And then allow using the app, and then consent, allow, and then consent. And that's how you can start using the app. A lot of users from Japan here. Oops, seems it's a bit buggy. Anyhow, let's try to reload it. Then you can set up filters. So you can set up who you're interested to communicate with. And then you can see all of the languages they try to speak. And all people from around the world which can communicate. So and then you can just go and see your chats, and then see your likes, and then see your account. So that's the app. So subscription if you wanna. Wow, that seems kind of expensive. $300 per week, or no? Okay, so that's 2.99. So I think they just have some kind of mistake, but just be careful. Here it is. So then you can have ghost mode, read receipts, unlimited translations, ad free. So that's the app.